Good evening. I'm Helen Rosenfeld, the Executive Director with the Massachusetts Science and Engineering Fair, joined by my colleague Karen LeBeau, who's the head of our middle school fair, and we're your MCs for the evening. Welcome to the 2022 Middle School Award Ceremony. Students, congratulations on a job well done. Whether your project's something that you think about all the time or something that you're just curious about, the Science and Engineering Fair process has provided you with a set of skills that'll stay with you for the rest of your schooling and into your professional lives. During another year of unpredictability, you've exemplified passion and commitment, starting with honorable mention and working our way up to first place.
Okay. Thank you so much, Helen. As Helen mentioned, I'm Karen LeBeau, and I'm excited to start this award ceremony off with our honorable mentions. We have Avani Jain, Samiha Jafar Ali, Noor Bahati, Abdul Muham Rahman. Congratulations to all of our honorable mention winners. And I'm going to pass it back on over to Helen for our third place award.
So in third place with the MSEF Awards, Ryan Ahmed Siddiq, Islamic Academy for Peace.
And a big congratulations to everyone involved this year with our fair.
So a special thank you to all of our teachers who guided students through the scientific process and encouraged creativity and the love of learning. A very warm thank you to our judges who took the time to carefully go through projects. Our judges come from diverse backgrounds in business, education, and research, and we know they all share a love of science and an interest in encouraging young people. Thank you to the parents and guardians, friends, and family for your support in encouraging student participation in science during a very challenging time. And thank you most of all to our students for your determination and hard work. You are absolutely the true superstars of this.